guys, it's Slimon.
Juma.
Welcome back to Bros Time.
Bro time.
And today we'll be showing you our toy collection. And make sure you like and subscribe
And hit the notification bell.
and let's get started the video. And here's our toy collection. And here's our this is like a gun. This is how it works. It goes so fast, and there's like an aimer, so you can see. And you know when it's like dark, you can just light it up. It just lights up.
And then it's like a VR for some Fortnite, and you can shoot it with this.
Yeah. This is how you shoot. You just pull it back, and then you just start shooting.
And then this is a goggles on feet.
This goggles, like if you do it this way, you can look far away. If you do it like this way, you look so close.
And then this only have batteries.
Yeah. So this is a walkie-talkie. When you press this, look it. It's like a police sirens.
And then this
this
is
one?
another.
It's like not working. And this one and then you can just like talk to people.
And then this is another gun. Yeah, we didn't shoot.
Wait, we have to put some ammo in it.
Yeah,
We still have it. And you just do this, and then you can just shoot.
And then
Do that.
this is a two-fixer hammer.
This is a hammer. You can just do like.
And then this is handcuffs.
You can just handcuff someone.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here's this guy. He's from Wreck-It Ralph. Breaks the internet.
And then this is the
It's pretty
bad guy.
cool.
He's driving.
You know, this is like a monster truck. It shows Gravedigger and it's a skeleton.
And then
bone,
it adds 6 white stickers.
and it has like 4 wheels.
And this is
And they have something underneath
and
to
this
stop.
is a tool going to do this.
And this is from Wreck-It Ralph also.
And then I think they match with this.
And this is a police badge where you just put it right here. On your shirt.
And then this is the two friends don't do this.
And here's this small pistol. This is a pistol that you can shoot like this, or you can hold it back and just shoot like that.
And then this one, how you do this and fix this up.
And this is a monster truck that my sister gave me for Christmas. And look, it has 4 wheels, and it's cool because it's supposed to have lights, but they're actually silver.
And guys, mine's downstairs by toys.
And this is like some tools, and this one,
You still have 2 number?
this is just like a tool, and that you just like when there's something right there, you just spin it. And here when there's like something, you just turn it around.
And then this is the same one as this one.
Yeah, but these are the same, but this one just a circle, and that one's just like kind of opening, and it looks like a U.
Yeah. It looks like you.
And then we have this. I know it's so small, but you actually you actually put something on it, and then you look at it's for this. You just do this. You just do it like this, and then it would just take off.
And then guys, they should pump it. Now
Oh yeah,
finish.
hey guys,
That's your shadow.
wait guys, I forgot. There's something in here. Yeah, here guys, I'll show you how it works. Here guys, I'll show you how it works. You just put it in here. It's simple. It's easy. You just put it all the way inside. You just like twirl it, and then it will go inside. And then this is how you get it out. I think it's with this. Yeah. You just spin it. Yeah, like that. So you put it out. on putting that black thing and like down.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell.
And then just keep on twirling it and then until it's done.
Yeah.
And I make sure you guys like
Subscribe
the
channel.
video, subscribe, hit the notification
Bell.
every time we post a new video. You can be the first one that can see it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.